So how did you come across trading experts?
Good question. So I was just scouting search at social media and investing. I was following a bunch of investment profiles, and all of a sudden get this thing about trading experts, and they had a lot more followers than all the other like guru finance guys on there on Instagram. So followed them, and then they posted a trade on their a chart, right? And it was the first time as I was kind of using chart patterns to trade,
Right.
and that ticker caught my attention, and ticker is the name of the stock, right? So
Yeah.
I punched it into my little Robinhood account, plugged it in, bought a few shares, and that thing went up. And I was like, all right, these guys are gods. I gotta start following them. So I started following them, and then they posted a story that said, on their Instagram, and said, okay, well, you can come follow us and join the group chat. So I joined the Getting Started group chat. Started very what Ben calls and Shake called dumb money, right? I was working in the investment world in the beginning. I honestly thought I knew a lot. Little did I know I did not. So there's a huge difference between analysis in the financial markets and actually trading. And the main difference is the psychology and about that. So I learned.
Go ahead. What was that?
Through them basically being able to control your emotions with trades. And
so how's your experience been with trading experts? Ben being the hard ass that we know he is, and Shake just always busting out crazy information and crazy shakedowns. How's your experience been throughout?
So when I first started with trading experts, it was difficult for me to not be like, oh, I know this, I can do this. And then Ben actually, shut me down a couple of times. He was like, no, you don't know shit. You gotta calm down here, boy. So, and Ben is kind of the hard ass, he's tough love a little bit, and he likes to, make sure that people understand. And actually it's a great thing. And back then maybe I was like, oh, who's this guy think he is, but it's actually the best way to teach in this situation, because a lot of people think they know a lot about the market when they get in, and they don't know anything. And and the way people trade is different, and they trade on a very specific way that is generally extremely profitable for people that want to invest and want to build a financial future. And Ben is just trying to help. He's just trying to make sure that people don't give up on that. And if you do give up, it's because you're going to find excuses in the future not to do so.
Right.
And that's his way of being like, you want to learn or you don't, right? So get on board or don't. And I think that's an excellent way to get people started and get people stick and actually make a future out of this, or build their financial future like they want to. So it's a great way. Shake is, on the other hand, is more. Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Okay, so Shake is on the other end is more like a softie. He's just funny. He's he tries to be nice to the new guys, and it's great too. It makes it the process a little bit easier. You got a bad cop, good cop kind of thing going on here. So
and what I love is that you're going in expecting to learn, which you are, but it's like you get Shake, the nice guy. Hey, what's up, man? And Ben, you're oh, happy, oh cool, this is a nice program, and then Ben was like, yo, what you doing? No complaint.